Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best saxophone is probably one of the most iconic and versatile instruments, capable of producing a rich tapestry of sounds from soulful jazz melodies to powerful rock riffs, making it a captivating choice for musicians across all genres and skill levels, whether you're a beginner eager to learn or a seasoned pro looking to upgrade your sound. Number 5. Glory Gold Laquer E-flat Alto Saxophone. Looking for a saxophone for yourself, a friend, or a loved one? This instrument stands out as a top choice, offering exceptional quality at a highly competitive price. It is an E-flat alto saxophone, featuring a high F-sharp key. This design ensures a versatile range for various musical expressions. This package comes fully equipped with 11 reeds, 8 mouthpiece cushions, a durable hardshell case, and essential accessories like a neck strap, grease, and cleaning tools. Everything you need to start playing is included. Admire its hand-engraved bell decoration and high-quality leather pads with metal resonators. The adjustable key height and metal thumb rest ensure comfortable playability for all. Thanks to its reasonable key layout and compact design, both adults and children can easily pick up and play this instrument. Its accurate sound hole positions allow fingers to rest comfortably. Before reaching you, each saxophone undergoes rigorous testing by professional quality inspectors. This ensures it meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. What we like. This instrument offers exceptional value for its price point. It comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, making it ready to play right out of the box. If you're a beginner or looking for a thoughtful gift, this complete and affordable package is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted. Number 4. Jean Paul AS 400 Alto Saxophone. Every instrument is meticulously prepared by certified technicians. This ensures it's perfectly tuned and ready for you to play the moment you unbox it. It's designed for accurate intonation across its entire range. This helps musicians maintain perfect pitch, elevating their overall performance. This comes complete with all the essentials you need to begin playing immediately. It's ideal for both aspiring beginners and experienced players looking to advance. It includes a convenient high F-sharp key. This feature provides added versatility and makes reaching higher notes much easier. Transport it safely with its premium fabric-covered case. The case features an ABS-reinforced frame and high-density foam for excellent shock absorption and protection. What we like. This model boasts a professional setup, ensuring it plays perfectly from day one. Its precise intonation helps you stay in tune across all registers. If you're an advancing player seeking reliability and accuracy, this instrument will elevate your performance. What people say. Number 3. Gold E-flat Alto Saxophone. Discover the ideal instrument for your musical journey. It's crafted for aspiring musicians, offering exceptional quality at an accessible price point. This makes it the best choice for beginners. Experience rich tones with its E-flat alto saxophone design, featuring a high F-sharp. Its brass body is beautifully hand-engraved, ensuring both stunning aesthetics and excellent acoustics. Enjoy comfortable playability thanks to accurate sound hole positions and a metal thumb rest. Its reasonable key layout and compact design make it easy for both adults and children to master. This instrument boasts high-quality leather pads with metal resonators and adjustable key height screws. These premium components ensure durability and a superior playing experience for years to come. Get started right away with a comprehensive accessory kit. It includes a hardshell case, mouthpiece, neck strap, cleaning supplies, reeds, and even gloves, providing everything you need to begin playing. Rest assured, each instrument undergoes rigorous testing by professional quality inspectors. They verify that it meets the highest standards before it reaches your hands, guaranteeing a reliable and enjoyable experience. What we like. Designed with beginners in mind, this saxophone offers an easy and comfortable playing experience. It features beautiful hand-engraved bell decoration, adding a touch of elegance. If you're just starting your musical journey and appreciate aesthetic details, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 2. Ktaxon Alto Saxophone Kit. Experience superior sound with this instrument, professionally tuned for excellence. It delivers clear tones and responsive key feedback, ensuring a delightful playing experience. Admire its elegant craftsmanship, featuring a shiny gold finish and full mother-of-pearl keys. Its contoured design and intricate engraving add a touch of sophistication. Constructed from high-grade copper and premium leather pads, it ensures exceptional air tightness. The imported springs provide uniform force and excellent resilience, making it a durable choice. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this instrument is perfect for you. It's ideal for school, concerts, band performances, or simply enjoying music at home. It comes with a plush-lined, adjustable carrying case for easy transport. The full kit includes a mouthpiece, neckband, reeds, cleaning tools, and gloves, providing everything you need to start playing. What we like. Experience superior sound quality, professionally tuned for optimal performance. Its elegant craftsmanship, with full mother-of-pearl keys, adds a sophisticated touch. If you value both excellent acoustics and a beautiful instrument, this one is suitable for any player level. What people say. There are no reviews provided in a source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 1. Yamaha YAS 280 Student Alto Saxophone. Discover the perfect instrument for aspiring musicians. This student alto saxophone offers exceptional quality and playability, making it ideal for learning and performing. It boasts a beautiful gold lacquer finish that not only looks professional but also contributes to its rich sound. Equipped with high F-sharp and front F auxiliary keys, it provides enhanced versatility for various musical pieces. This saxophone comes complete with its own durable case, ensuring safe transport and storage. You'll have everything you need to start your musical journey right away. It's proudly made by Yamaha, a brand renowned worldwide for its excellence in musical instruments. As world leaders in guitars and keyboards, their expertise extends to crafting superior saxophones. With its reliable construction and thoughtful design, it's built to inspire confidence in every student. Choose this instrument to elevate your musical expression and enjoy years of playing. What we like. From a world leader in musical instruments, this model guarantees renowned quality and reliability. It's specifically designed to be student-friendly, aiding in learning and progression. If you're a student or parent seeking a trusted brand for consistent performance, this is a wise investment. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.